Driver has been charged with drunk driving after driving the wrong way on I-77 Sunday morning. According to the West Virginia Department of Transportation, the driver was driving northbound in the southbound lane on I-77 in Wood County. They crashed in the construction zone and struck a Shelley and Sands paver. The driver was okay, but was charged with a DUI. District 3 Manager Michael Daly says the driver will be responsible for the damage. We will have more information as it becomes available.